3 traffic tactics that won't cost you a cent.
Are you constantly banging your head in frustration on not receiving all the internet traffic you would like to get to your website? Are you tormented from information overload listening to all the latest free website traffic tactics and not being able to understand any of it? Are you dejected of people trying day and night to harassing you to max out your credit card and get loans for Google clicks, and in the process lose your credit score? Are you stupefied by the way your website just dropped out of the Google search results? Or are you just too broke and all you have to rely on is getting some free website traffic tactics? You can employ website traffic tactics without spending dime. However, knowing how is the real deal. Here's the score, 1 link it. Of all the effective website traffic tactics that can get you best results, linking to and from other websites is the one of the most widely used method. Just make sure that the internet business you are exchanging links with is relatively if not utterly related to your own business. And of course, don't overkill as this might ban you from search engines. 2. Meet meta tags. Another way to acquire your desired traffic for your website is through having your meta tags contain usually used keywords that target your business. Meta tags help search engines in describing your web page. If you're quite adept with the HTML aspect of your web pages, manipulating your meta tags would be a breeze. 3. Keyword-rich and sensible content. Writing or acquiring articles that provide solid information regarding your business is one of the best ways. Making use of free keyword suggestion tools such as Overture will help you on which keyword or phrases to work on to better lead more traffic to your website. Making these write-ups very readable and genuinely informative will make you many repeat visitors to subsequently become repeat clients. Submitting these articles to various article directory listings will provide more visibility for your business as long as you keep your resource box intact to create for yourself numerous backlinks. These methods, if employed properly, will not only make your website popular but will make you achieve your most desirable result, higher conversion rate. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.